dumpster rental service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Rockn Rolloffs is your trusted provider for dumpster rental service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, making home renovations hassle-free. Whether tearing out old drywall, replacing flooring, or updating your kitchen, our durable roll-off dumpsters are perfect for handling all your construction debris. Renovations generate a lot of waste, from broken drywall and wood scraps to old fixtures and flooring. That's why we offer sturdy, spacious dumpsters designed to handle heavy loads efficiently. Our flexible rental periods allow you to work at your own pace, ensuring you have enough time to complete your project without stress. We provide quick delivery and prompt pickup so your worksite stays clean and organized. No more worrying about piles of debris slowing you down. We make waste disposal effortless. Our transparent pricing means no hidden fees, giving you a budget-friendly solution for your renovation cleanup. At Rockn Rolloffs, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We go the extra mile to provide reliable service, helping homeowners tackle remodeling projects with ease. Renting from us means a simple, stress-free experience every time. Call Rockn Rolloffs at 605-214-4080 to book your dumpster. Sioux Falls trusts us for dependable dumpster rental service.